Hello guys, welcome back to the next one. In this one we will see how do we install Java on our systems. Whether you are using Mac or Windows, we will cover both in the same lecture. So let's get started. I'm going to bring up the browser. The first thing we want to do here is we want to download the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit and it comes with the JRE. JRE is Java Runtime Environment. JRE is needed for any application to be run on our system that uses Java. So basically, since we are going to be implementing also in Java, we need JDK as well. So let's say download JDK, and the current version that I'm seeing right now is Java SE Development Kit 8 and it has 7 as well. So I'm going to download 8, but if you see some other version when you're watching the video, please feel free to download it because it's okay to have the latest and updated one. So let's click on this version. So it should open the link. So we come here, Java SE Development Kit 8 download. What I see here is two versions right now, 8U101 update and 8U102 update. So I'm gonna go with the latest one. So let's go ahead with 8U102 update. You might see more, you might see only one, but just make sure that you are trying to get the latest one because it's always good to have the latest Java version. Now, how do we decide which version I want? We decided with the operating system that we are using. So let's say you are using Mac OS X. So for Mac, this is the version you want to download and it's only 64-bit. So it's pretty plain simple. You just click on this .dmg file and it's going to present you. It's going to ask you to first accept the license. So we will accept it here. Once we accept it, it will say that download this file. So I'm just going to click this. Once we click it, it will present you a pop-up that you need to select. So when I click the save file, it's going to save the file for me. Once you have the file, it's pretty easy. Like any other software that you have downloaded, just double click it and install the Java. I already have Java installed, so I'm just going to skip this step for right now. Now let's come to Windows. For Windows, since we have two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit, it comes to deciding which one we want. So x86 is the 32-bit version. If you have that one, just click this link and you will be able to download this Java version. And if you have the 64-bit version of Windows, then just download this version. And the question comes, how do we know which version I have for Windows? So let me just bring up my virtual machine, which is Windows. So this is my Windows virtual machine. And I can just open the Explorer. So this is the Windows Explorer. And if I right click this PC, I see these options, right? So I can click on properties, and if I click on properties, it's going to present me this thing. So basically this is control panel, system and security, system. You can go to this place from control panel also. So if you are using Windows, most likely you're aware of what is control panel. How do we reach there? From this location, we just need to figure out what is our version of the operating system. So this says system type as 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So if this says 32-bit for you, please download the 32-bit version. And if it says 64-bit for you, please download the 64-bit version. Once you download it, it's exactly again double clicking it and no rocket science. Just please double click the version, double click the downloaded file and install the Java. And that's pretty much it. That's all you do. You will see more things here like demos and samples and all those things to be downloaded, but we are not interested in that. We just want the Java Development Kit. We are not interested in demos and samples and all those things. So please go ahead and download the Java Development Kit, which is known as JDK in short form. So that's about it, guys. In the next lecture, I will show you how do we set up Java, which is really very important because once we have Java set up properly, we are good to go with the course. So first, please download Java, install Java, And then in the next lecture, we will see how do we set up Java on our systems. Thanks for attending this one. Please stay tuned for the next one.